What's going on, guys? Patrick Longley here from Team Roger That, and today we are spotlighting this beautiful property, which you may actually recognize from the HGTV show Renovation Aloha. Now, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home, but it also has a bonus office that's detached in the back. So you're gonna definitely wanna check this out. See you on the other side. All right, guys, as we step into this beautiful property, what you first are welcomed by is this Sunken Great Room, which is really nice, not only for entertaining, and I love the open flow concept where you can literally go from the entrance to the great room, to the dining room, all the way to the kitchen. Now, with that being said, there are bedrooms all through this home. You'll see right as you enter, right over here, we do have the office, and then we start moving into the main living space. Let's check this out. One thing that really makes this property unique is it does have very high ceilings. Now, this ceiling is going to be the same level all the way through the home, but what makes this a proper great room is that it feels extremely spacious, not only because of the open concept, because of these high ceilings. I would say these are at least 9-foot ceilings. And then they also have a lot of nice touches. You'll see that they've got LED lights in this certain area, which I think would be perfect for your TV. When you're shopping, you're always wondering, where am I going to put my TV? Probably put it right there. This home is really about experiences and having different ones as you walk through. As soon as you come through the door, you have lots of natural light. You have the great room that welcomes you up, and then you step up and you'll see that you have the dining room set. Now, again, this is all about entertaining as well. You can, of course, be eating with the kids, families, or if you want to make a cocktail for your friends down in the great room, you have a space for that right here. Another amazing aspect, and these guys keep changing up the game when it comes to their renovations, is that they're not using the standard color schemes that most developers or builders are using. You'll see that they have more of kind of a mainland meets Hawaii feel. You've got kind of this texturized actual quartz countertops. You've got the wood cabinets here that also kind of goes along with the wood overhead. And you'll actually see that that goes throughout the home. You'll see just kind of a mix and match of colors that are not really mix and match to one extent, but they actually really merge together and pair really well. When you're purchasing a home out here in Kailua, space can be pretty tight. Obviously, this isn't one of those issues, but one thing that I always find that is a challenge is where am I gonna eat with my family? Right now, in this place, you actually have 3 options. You've got the dining room set, you've got the island, and you actually have this breakfast nook. And I could definitely see myself sitting here with my baby girl and having breakfast with her or with the family if I want something a little bit more comfortable and not so formal. We have to check out these bedrooms because, as I mentioned, lots of different experiences, lots of different designs. Wait till you check out this master. So as we walk in here, again, new experiences, it sets the tone. And I see this a lot when you go to see some of those like DR Horton or those new developed homes. They'll have these amazing designs, but it never comes with that. This home does. So you'll see that you have this nice wallpaper, texturized, moves you into this open concept and lots of natural light coming in from the outdoors. And wait till you see this bathroom. These guys are crushing it on their tile selection. Now you've got the master or the primary suite over there. And then on this side of the home, we do have 2 bedrooms and a beautiful guest bathroom. And again, you have to focus on some of these tile selections because it can really set the tone of a home. Welcome to your peaceful retreat. So this isn't actually technically an ADU per se. It's more of just an extra space, extra office. It is detached from the home, which is very convenient. So if you need a music room for yourself or for the kids, or just a place to get away from the family or the kids, or if you need to get some work done that's detached from the home completely, this is a great option. I actually built something similar to this for my wife because she works from home, and it has been a lifesaver, not only for her to focus on work, but also keep a nice little separation when you have to work and you don't want to hear screaming kids in the background. So this is a great option for anybody who needs that situation. All right, guys, well, that pretty much wraps it up. If you have any questions about this property or any properties out here in Hawaii, feel free to reach out to me. I got my contact information right here, or you can book a call directly with me or one of my teammates in the link down below. With that being said, I'm Patrick Longman with Team Roger That. Hope you have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.